Hey guys, it's Simone. So today I am going to be moving my plants from outside to inside. So I'm going to be potting them or taking them out of their pots and repotting them into a smaller bowl for the winter. Container? I don't know. Pot. That's the word. And so I'm going to be moving them from their bigger pots to their smaller ones just for the winter. They're mostly succulents. I think actually they're all succulents because those are the kind of plants I really like. I do plan to get new plants later on, but right now I'm just moving in my plants for the winter, and I am going to show you what I did. I think that they turned out kind of cute. One of mine needs like one more succulent in the bowl. And I might get one later on and show you guys what it looks like, but I was just, like I said, bringing them in for the winter because it's starting to get cold here. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, click that bell button so that when I release a video, you get a notification. And like it up, guys. I really appreciate your support. Leave me any comments on what you guys think about my succulents. Okay, so that was my video. Thanks for watching. I am going to be releasing another video soon. I hope you liked my succulents. I think they look super cute, especially the one in the clear bowl. But thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel, Simone on the microphone. Like it up. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Talk to you later.